It's time for you to learn crochet. Today we're gonna be making this beautiful beanie hat. This is how it turned out for me, but you will be able to make it any size, you know, with any yarn, with any hook. The method that I will show is completely universal. It will have a chart where you will measure your head and put it into the chart, and then you will decide how many rows with increases you have to make to get to the desirable shape that will sit good on your head personally. I'm still a bit sick, so don't mind my voice. I just can't leave you without this tutorial. I was promising a long time ago already. For my beanie hat I will use cotton white yarn, 14 wraps per inch. You can use whatever weight, you can use 10 wraps per inch, 16, 8, whatever. You will just have to follow the chart and the size of your head. I will use 3.5 millimeter hook and this measuring tape to measure my head. Let's start from measuring our head. Put it somewhere here, right above the ears, and measure it like this. Okay, let's see. My head is around 23 inches. Let's look at the chart now. So you see the head circle and my 23 inches. So we look at the crown diameter and it's 6.75 inches. So I will crochet a circle that will be the base of our head, and it has to be 6.75 inches. Okay, let's start. So first you make a magic ring with a chain 2. Now we will make 10 half double crochets into this ring. In this tutorial I'm not gonna explain you the basics. You can find all the basics explanations in my shorts. Okay, now we just close the magic ring and we slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Like this, and we close it a bit tighter. After slip stitching into the magic ring, you make chain 2 and do an increase into every stitch of the round. Now you slip stitch into the first half double crochet. It's here. Chain 2. And now you make one usual half double crochet, one half double crochet increase. Another round is done. We slip stitch into the first half double crochet, making chain 2. Now we will make 2 usual half double crochets, 1 increase. And I guess it will be the last round I will show you. You just follow the same logic. The more you need, you just add 1 more usual half double crochet before increase. So for example, in this round I will make 2 usual, 1 increase. In the next 3 usual, 1 increase. In the next 4 usual, 1 increase, and so on until it's enough for me or enough for you. This is my last round with increases and it's round 9. And in this last round I was making 7 half double crochets, one half double crochet increase. For you it will be different because your head is different. Now we take a measuring tape and we measure it right in the middle like this. And you see, it's perfect. 6.75 inches. If your head is like 6.5, the most important thing, so it's not smaller than your number. For example, you need 6.5, but you made 6.6, that's okay, it will work. Don't go lower or your brains will squeeze out of your ears. Now we would just half double crochet into every stitch around. We will stop making any increases. And round after round you will fit it on your head every time and see where is your desired length. For example, if you want to fold it 1 time, you will make less rounds. If you want to fold 2 times, you will make more rounds. Total freedom for you. When I will be done with my head, I will show you the result and I will tell you exact number of rounds I made. So yeah, we just chain 2 and now we make 1 half double crochet into every stitch around. Round after round after round.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is enough for me. I counted, and together with this very first round, it's 31 rounds. So now we have to cut this yarn. Okay, so we cut our yarn somewhere here, like this. And now we just put our hook back and just pull on it, like this. And tighten it a bit. Now we take our darning needle, put the end on the darning needle, and we choose a close space somewhere here, for example, and we go there, but we don't go all the way, you know. This is the situation, and you have to put this end into this loop that you created, like this. First you have to take the darning needle off, then you put your end here and just do like this. You see? Now when it's secured, you can put it back on the darning needle like this. And now you choose, for example, okay, this is the front side, the back side. You go through the loops, securing this end. Something like this. You pull this like this. Nice. Now you can cut it off, and your work will not disassemble. You know, you cut it off and you pull it like this. Perfect. Can't see anything. Perfect job. Okay, now let's try it on. So this is how it looks like without us making those flips. I like 2 flips, so something like this. Amazing. Me likey. So now your beautiful head will be warm in winter. Well, for Siberian winter you will need a thicker yarn, but you know, it feels very nice. I like it. Subscribe for more tutorials, recommend me stuff you want me to teach you how to make, and have fun. This is the most important part. See you around.